The prophecy for this week, if you believe. The prophecy for this week, if you have faith in it. The first prophecy for the week, the bridge has been broken. I don't know the bond that has been placed upon your life, upon your business, upon your family, but the word of the prophecy is saying the bridge has been broken if you believe. The second prophecy for the week, you have been vindicated where you have been condemned. I don't know for how long they have been condemning you upon your life, on your family, in any area, but the word of the prophecy is saying you have been vindicated from where you have been condemned if you believe. If you believe. The third prophecy for the week, the evil tag on you has been cancelled. The evil tag placed on you, placed on your destiny, placed on your life has been cancelled if you believe. The third prophecy for the week, the fourth prophecy for the week, the steps that has been causing you pain will begin to bring joy. The steps that has been causing you pain, the steps you are taking, that you are thinking joy will come forth from it, but it's bringing pain to you. The word of prophecy is saying it will begin to bring joy into your life. The steps that has been causing you pain will begin to bring joy into your life, into your destiny. If you believe, this is the word of the prophecy for this week. May the Lord bless us. May the Lord continue to guide us. Amen.